fields. Several Indians. Also, during this period, India has been through some difficult times. The Kargil War, the Mumbai terrorist attack, assassination of Indira Gandhi, to name a few. We are also going to witness a glimpse of the last 50 glorious years of Indian cinema. So, let's get ready for the wonderful journey through the wonderful 50 years of India.
Are you ready for this journey? Please say yes, people.
अरे बोलिए ना, तभी तो स्टार्ट होगा. बोलो yes.
Thank you. So now we start. The year is 1966. India won the war against Pakistan in 1965.
Shri Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the president and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was prime minister.
He was in Russia on 10 January 1966 to sign the all-important Tashkent Treaty when he passed away during the night.
Shri Gulzari Lal Nanda became interim prime minister for a second time, after which Mrs. Indira Gandhi was appointed PM.
In 1966, Rita Faria became the first Indian to be crowned Miss World, and a hit film for the year at the award was the film Guide.
दूर के बंधन बाकी पायल, कोई मेरा Ali Ahmed became the President of India.
In 1975, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhat, and it went into orbit on 19th April.
Also in 1975, India became the winners of the Hockey World Cup. The hit film of the year was Sholay.
अरे मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार तुम है मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार ये दोस्त जी हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. What followed was 2 years of turmoil in the country.
In 1977, Shri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy became President of India and Congress Party was ousted from power. Janata Party formed the government with Shri Morarji Desai as the Prime Minister.
However, in 1979, Shri Morarji Desai lost the seat and Shri Chaudhry Charan Singh became India's Prime Minister.
But the nation went to elections in 1980 and Mrs. Indira Gandhi again was elected Prime Minister.
Her son Sanjay Gandhi died in the very same year in a plane crash. This was also the year that Indian hockey team won the gold medal at the Moscow Olympic Games for the 8th time.
Also in 1980, terrible riot broke out in Muradabad. For months the city suffered from tension and curfew was imposed for weeks.
In 1982, Delhi became the host of the Asian Games. The city was renovated and Delhi saw its first flyovers.
In the year 1983, Shri Gyani Zail Singh became President of India.
1983 was the memorable year when India won the Cricket World Cup for the first time.
1984 was an eventful year in Indian history. Operation Blue Star, where the Khalistani militants were gunned down inside the Golden Temple, Bhindranwala being the chief militant to be killed.
It was also the year when the squadron leader Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian in space.
Operation Blue Star by her own bodyguards. This led to riots, especially in Delhi, where several Sikhs were massacred.
The terrible Bhopal gas tragedy also took place in the same year, 1984.
Shri Rajiv Gandhi then plunged into politics and became Prime Minister. But he lost the next elections in 1989 and Shri V.P. Singh became Prime Minister of India.
In 1986, at the Asian Games at Seoul, P.T. Usha won 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal in the track and field events and the title of Best Athlete.
In 1987, Shri R. Venkatraman.
1989 was also the year that Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar made his debut in international cricket. And the best song for the year was awarded to Ek Do Teen from Tezab. And the best film was Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak.
नमस्कार। कहिए, क्या सुनेंगे आप? मैं कर रही थी किसी का इंतजार। वो जिससे मैं करती हूँ प्यार और जिससे करती हूँ मिन्नतें बार बार। ऐसे
दोस्तों, आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। तो रियली आई मीन इट। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
Eventful. The Mandal Commission report promoted by the VP Singh government regarding the increased reservations given to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes caused nationwide protest of students, especially in Delhi, Lucknow, Allahabad, Bihar, etc. Several students died for the cause also.
It was a cause of the ouster of Shri B.P. Singh from Prime Minister's post and Shri Chandrasekhar became the Prime Minister.
In 1991, elections were held again. But before voting, Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by a suicide bomber on 21st May 1991.
P.V. Narasimha Rao became the Prime Minister Minister of a once again Congress government.
1991 was also the year that Wilsonia celebrated its silver jubilee, 25 years.
In 1992, on 6 December, the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya was demolished, which caused riots and tension all across the country.
In 1993, Sri Shankar Dayal Sharma became the President of India.
1993 saw its first major terrorist attack with the blast that rocked Mumbai, which was then called Bombay. The name was changed to Mumbai in 1995.
In 1994, India successfully tested the surface-to-surface missile Prithvi and incorporated it into the armed forces.
India first tasted double success in the beauty pageants in 1994, with Sushmita Sen being crowned Miss Universe and Aishwarya Rai Miss World.
1995 is best known for all the time great Bollywood film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
ये कुड़िया नशे दिया कुड़िया
ये गुंडे गली के गुंडे,
ये कुड़िया नशे दिया कुड़िया
ये गुंडे गली के गुंडे,
नशे दिया कुड़िया
गली के गुंडे।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे गोरी आएंगे तेरे के रखना।
सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, ये दिल की बात अपने दिल में दबा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना,
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना।
In 1996, Congress once again Minister for just 13 days. Sri S.D. Devgowda then became Prime Minister.
Indian economy was opening. Foreign companies were once again investing. The first McDonald's opened in Delhi on October 13, 1996.
Pagers, the forerunners to mobile phones, enter the market. Mobile phones too are introduced. Call charges ₹15 for a minute. Can you imagine that today?
In 1996, elections are held again in the country and again a hung parliament is formed with Sri I.K. Gujral as the Prime Minister.
Also on September 5, 1997, Mother Teresa passed away.
In 1998, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee once again became the Prime Minister, this time for 13 months. But then again elections were held and the BJP government won, and Vajpayee ji continued as Prime Minister till 2004.
The main reason for his winning the elections was India's triumph during the Kargil War in 1999, when the Pakistan forces were removed from the border hills around India's line of control.
But a sad outcome of this was the hijack of Indian airline flight IC-814 on 21st December, because of which 3 dreaded terrorists had to be released by India and taken to Afghanistan. Only then were the passengers released on 31st December 1999, the last day of the millennium.
But 1999 was also the year that Mahesh Bhupati and Leander Paes won the French Open and the Wimbledon title in men's double, a great moment for India.
But 2000 was a year of triple win for India at the beauty pageant, with Lara Dutta winning Miss Universe, Priyanka Chopra becoming Miss World, and Dia Mirza became Miss Asia Pacific.
Vishwanathan Anand also made India proud in the year 2000 by winning the World Chess Championship.
But the event of 2001 shook the world. America was shaken to the core by the attacks on September 11, 2001, when the World Trade Center and the Pentagons went crumbling after being hit by hijacked planes.
Also, the attack on the Parliament House on 13th December shook India to the core of how easily terrorists could reach the very core of the Indian government.
In 2002, APJ Abdul Kalam became the President of India.
And director completed 25 years as principal in 2002 as well.
In 2004, Congress Party again came to power with Shri Manmohan Singh becoming the Prime Minister.
A great tsunami hit the Indian subcontinent and caused massive destruction on 26 December 2004.
In 2007, Mrs. Pratibha Patil became the President of India.
Also in 2007, India's first commercial space rocket launch, Canadian satellite.
With our very own Piyush Chawla in the team, and the hit movie of the year was Om Shanti Om.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नबी दानम, हम है दिल है मर जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रह सकता रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All hard girls, put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys wanna make some noise and say, Om Shanti Om.
It was also the year when India won the first individual gold medal in Olympics, Abhinav Bindra in shooting.
But 26/11/2008 is the day which cannot be forgotten, when Mumbai once again was shaken by a terrorist attack.
In 2009, once again, Congress won the elections and Shri Manmohan Singh became Prime Minister for another term.
Saina Nehwal became the world champion in badminton in 2000.
India once again won the Cricket World Cup, this time in Mumbai, with Dhoni as the captain and the team Sehwag, Ashwin, Piyush Chawla, Gautam Gambhir, Bhaji, Zahid, Virat Kohli, Nerda, Manaf Patel, Yusuf Pathan, Raina, Sri San, Praveen Kumar, Yuvraj and Sachin Tendulkar.
Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958, Paul a champion. Champion, 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 champion.
In 2012, Shri Pranab Mukherjee became the President of India.
Ajmal Kasab, the sole surviving terrorist of the Mumbai attacks, was hanged in 2012.
But won 6 medals at the 2012 London Olympics. They were Vijay Kumar for silver for shooting,
Sushini Kumar, silver for wrestling,
Gagan Maran for shooting, Yogeshwar Kumar from wrestling,
Saina Nehwal, bronze for badminton, and Mary Kom, bronze for boxing.
In the year 2013, India's Mars orbital mission, the Mangalyaan, was launched.
In 2014, Shri Narendra Modi became India's Prime Minister with a thumping majority.
Telangana became the 29th state of Indian Republic also in 2014.
In 2015, Shri Arvind Kejriwal became Chief Minister of Delhi by an astounding majority.
In 2016, Estonia is celebrating its 15th Gloria year.
And Deepa Karnakar became the first Indian to be selected as a gymnast for the Rio Olympics. And the best movie of the year is Bajirao Mastani. And the great contender of the year's film award
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्ल